beautiful Lexus IS350 right behind us here. It is from Lexus Downtown. Sentimental value, bro. Look at this, bro. I can't believe this guy kept rocking this.
Contaminants that was on this thing, yeah, it was pretty bad. From the looks of it, it seems like it was just parked outside.
And it literally makes you want to throw up. That's crazy. Madness.
You like his work?
I love his work.
One piece. But it's guys do two piece, I did one piece here.
Guys do two piece, good guys do one piece. Guys, we have this beautiful Lexus IS350 right behind us here. It is from Lexus Downtown. My boys Zafar and my boys Yama, they brought over this car because they wanna spice it up and they wanna add that Automotion touch and they wanna get these cars sold. So once we're done, it will be for sale and it's gonna have that Automotion stamp. We're gonna be doing something super cool with this car. We're actually wrapping it in gloss Envy green, I believe the color is called. So it's like a metallic green. He sent me some options and then I sent him this color and I'm like, bro, this is the one that's gonna work with this, I think. They were looking at some like root beer brown colors and we're just trying to make it look like a one-off car. So when someone comes in, they're just like, yo, this is different. It's not like every other Lexus that's at the dealership. And it's a brand new car, obviously just dirty sitting in their lot, right? But we're adding our touch to it and then we're powder coating the wheels. I think we're gonna stay doing the gloss black. We did have an option of doing them in bronze. So I'm gonna see what I feel like is gonna look good with it. And they're just leaving it pretty much up to me. And I said, let's lower it and do some spacers as well because the fitment is very, very weak. Obviously, there's so much the wheel that's negative inside the actual fender wheel arches. With Lexuses, we had this problem with a bunch of other cars that we used to do like crazy setups on. Lexus is the only brand that actually curves their fender arch inwards. So most of the time it's flat or it has a little bit of a bubble out so that, you know, it gives it that wider look. But Lexus's design, front and back, the fenders go inwards, like they're actually curved in. So if you try to put a wide rim on this, right away it touches. So it's very hard to put like a crazy offset wheel on these cars. So that's why I think we're just gonna stay with factory wheels because they said let's do some aftermarket wheels. Factory wheel setup, space it out, lower it with some springs, you know, just get rid of some of this wheel gap. There's like a whole hand could fit in here. So hopefully we can get it down to like 1 finger or 2 fingers, maybe at least. We might do ceramic, I don't know, we'll see if it's in their budget. But for them, it's just to get rid of these cars, right? There's a whole bunch of cars sitting everywhere these days, not just Lexus, it's all brands. They have cars sitting when 2 years ago, you couldn't even get a friggin' Honda Civic. We're gonna spice it up and I think the green's gonna be pretty dope. So stay tuned for that, guys.
All that on a certain angle.
Yeah, from these angles, you see the swirls.
Just maybe the way they washed it, because these dealers, what they do is they'll use these certain polishes that will fill in the scratches and put on like a fake shine. Yeah. But then when we do our proper decon wash and we strip all that wax and all that off, it actually shows the true.
Like all the iron deposit as well.
Yeah, that'll show the true condition of the paint. Plus, this thing was heavily contaminated, so it got a stent. Pretty intensive clay bar job on done through.
But once you polish it, you'll be able to get a lot of it out. But
I'll get all of them. What kind of polishes, steps, single stage, two stage? Oh, the amount of contaminants that was on this thing, yeah, it was pretty bad. From the looks of it, it seems like it was just parked outside at the dealer for a while. I'm guessing they took delivery of the car, didn't have a buyer for it, sat outside, dirt, all that kind of crap just baked onto the paint with the sun. And yeah, so they finally got a buyer for it, sold unit now.
on this side, the truck seems so much bigger.
Yeah. Bro, this paint's actually insane. Yes, they're just parked out in the sun. Look right here. See the hints of purple in the paint?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have this beautiful RSQ8 here. It's in for full ocean protection package, of course. Doing PPF, clear on the body, of course, matte on the matte carbon. You got a beautiful carbon piece. No, I mean it's the upgrade for this. It has all the dry carbon all the way around, front, lower splitter, mirrors, back diffuser, and there's a trunk piece as well. So all that will be all done in matte. We already tinted it all the way around. We did windshield. So 35 on the sides, 50 on the windshield. We did dash cam, 4K Wi-Fi front and back already as well. We did an immobilizer, tracking system on it, of course, already. You know, you don't want this thing to be missing. You don't want to deal with the insurance, so we protected it. Yeah, this thing is gonna be under the knife all day today, tomorrow, day after, and then Hopefully by next week, we'll have this thing delivered. I think Carvier already polished. Yeah, he already polished it. He jeweled it and everything's already ready to go.
So much better than how it was yesterday.
Oh, 100%. He rewashed it. So now it's ready to go into our deep step. So stay tuned for that. Sure. I told this guy 10 times. Fuck the garbage. Sentimental value my ass, bro. Look at this. Bro, I can't believe this guy kept rocking this. I know it has a lot of memories. You want to take it home, take it home. Wear it for like wear it for an undershirt, but look at that. But this is what, 4 years now? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
No, wait. I mean, he washed it like literally like every other day. Probably like 1,000 washes. I don't know if it's supposed to last 1,000 washes like that. And like it literally makes you want to throw up. That's crazy. Madness.
Like this compared to the RS.
No, the RS is crazy too, but this is 1,000 horsepower, bro. Like stock, 1,000 horsepower. It's nuts. All right, let's plug this thing in.
Would you get one of these?
I actually love it. I love it so much that I would get one and do that F50 conversion on it.
Oh. I would rather have this over a Revolto.
Honestly, this thing it looks so crazy. Yeah. And you know me, I always want an exotic that the doors go up, but this is crazy. Braking necks. People were just like, what the is that thing? Plug it in, plug it in. Oh, that's a sick charger. It's red and yellow. So sick. And has a Ferrari sign on the actual charger too.
Yeah, that's an expensive charger. Yeah. 5K.
Very, very nice. So guys, we have this 911 that's been here forever and nearing completion. It's been polished. The PPF has already been started. Hood, fenders are already done. Headlights are done.
Full front end.
Yeah, he wanted to do PPF on it. So the only thing that we're gonna fix is his front bumper has some chips. Yeah, so he had a couple pieces there. So but this basically is a gouge here. Looks like something hit it really bad. And then over here is a few, and the tiny one there.
Those are the main ones though, right?
Yeah, and then he's putting a plate back on because I told him like, yeah, we could take the bumper off, fill this, paint it, and then it won't have it, but he wants to rock a front plate. He doesn't want to get pulled over. This one will be done soon. It came out obviously like a brand new car again. These are the summers.
Yeah.
And then that's for his winters. They were curb rashed. They were actually satin black before. So we did them in gloss black.
Wait,
and
these
then
were the ones on the car.
these were on it first.
Oh my, yeah,
Yeah.
so much.
Night and day, right? And then these are the winters. So we got Michelin Pilot PA4s. I had these on my S4, the most gangster tire, bro. I'm telling you, this needs to do in the snow drifting, you're still hooking in the snow, like with this tire. He's gonna be super happy with that and the traction that he gets with it.
Subscribe for me, hunting YouTube.
I'm gonna do a hunting video for you. Yeah, but you have to be good. You can't be
What do you do? Just like
You-
my
you-
face.
you can't be a bad hunter.
Bro. What?
You're gonna get deported.
Where? No.
Make sure you have your.
Everything. I have a license.
You got good aim.
What?
You got good aim.
What?
Aim.
Aim?
Yeah.
What's that?
Like you got a good shot. Like you can hit your shot.
He's asking if you don't miss. If you don't
Yeah,
miss.
you don't miss.
Of course you miss, but not like 100% always.
You're supposed to say you don't miss. You like his work?
I love his work.
One piece. But it's bullshit, guys. Did 2 piece, I did 1 piece here.
Guys do 2 piece, good guys do 1 piece.
Technology.
See, the first one was done 2 pieces, remember? When we removed it.
Yeah, I told him.
So you get some Mickey Thompson.
Hey, hey, don't do it like this.
It's clean.
You're coloring yellow all over.
So like all the small trims and all that kind of
Porsche, this, and then there's small pieces.
all the carbon.
And then Audi's carbon is matte.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's small piece. And then other car,
Yeah.
I can do it because I have a small pieces. All because small, you know.
Well, I'll prep the car, and then if you have the material for it, you can do the PPF, and I'll just polish it after. Small car anyways to polish.
Are you only doing front end on the Fiat?
Yeah, all 3 cars, front end, Audi front end, finish off the Porsche, front end of the
Porsche's almost done, right? Like the
yeah,
PPF?
once the bumper's done, we'll put the bumper PPF on it, and then the ceramic on it.